Hello guys, and in today's video I will answer a popular question. Can this Galaxy Watch 4 answer calls? Let's find out. But firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, what is the answer? Yes, of course, they can answer calls. To accept the call, hold this green phone right here and swipe up. And now the call is accepted. To change the volume of call, click on the speaker icon right here and adjust the volume as you need by sliding your finger. Now click this button to go back on the call page. To end a call, just simply click on this red button right here. And that's it. But the last situation, if you want to reject incoming call, just simply hold this red phone icon and swipe up. And the call has been rejected. For more details, you can check out the Samsung website or in the user manual. That was all for today, and thank you for watching.